Where you go? You look like a stray dog.
Yo, thanks for logging in to the Mr. Show.
My front door. Say she's leaving, she can't take it anymore.
Hold up. People, Judge Judy, that episode, yeah, hot.
Be moving your mouth. No problem.
The good guy, be the villain.
All right, and they also talk about here how you might as well be the villain because the stepfather is what? The sucker.
Grocery bags. Be the bad guy. Trust me, you're gonna be much happier. Be the guy she'll never forget.
Right? Let's get into it. The Mr. Show. Jamaicans bringing snow to Jamaica. And let's just get it going, man. I'm telling you, this guy's cooking over here on the whatever podcast.
Nice. How is this not a bigger evidence of a differential between the privilege that women have versus the oppression that men have?
Okay. And this beautiful girl here, what did she say?
Now she don't like your energy. Now she want to flip the script and make you the problem.
Come on, I'm telling you. We got a lighted up show right now, right?
Like 15 arguments.
Right. Yeah, the wording of training is...
Where you go?
Let's go.
You look like a stray dog.
But wait. Oh, the blood clot you there, son.
Hold on. This is from a very popular Jamaican movie. Let's get into it. I'm in labor rights and PMP thing. I'm in politics in Jamaica. I just love my people. I just love the music. I just love the island. Everybody loves the island. Let's go. Culture.
Where you go? You look like a stray dog.
But wait. Oh, the blood clot you there, son. Is this a work? I look across the construction site in Orange. Oh, you are one of them bumbuckler labor right from down there, sir.
No, Rasta.
And are you?
No, Rankin. I'm just a singer, you know.
Just a singer. Singer?
Oh boy.
Stop that rain from blowing through my front door. Say she's leaving, she can't take it anymore.
Oh no.
I wish there's something I could say to change her mind. It would be sun, it would be sun, sunshine.
From this blood clot.
Whoa.
I choose not to date younger because I know that those young men only want help, a roll in the sheets, somewhere to bop their little heads, or a vehicle to drive in.
Stop wasting my time.
I don't want to take care of a man.
And that's
Right. All right. So this lady here proved the judge absolutely right. I mean, the poor little man, she directly used this man after putting him in the friend zone. Men, do not accept the friend zone. Do not. Look, watch this.
just for anything. His friend passed away. I'm not going to go out of town for a grieving friend. That's just for anything.
I'm going to read your answer
Please.
to you. First of all, this is your sworn answer. Over the course of 7 months, Oti gave me a total of $1,350. Not $800, $1,350. Never once did he ask me to pay him back. In September 2018, he began exhibiting obsessive and controlling behavior towards me. He needed to go out of town and begged me to go with him. I politely declined. That's when he started demanding that I go with him. My question to you is, before a lady acts as a victim, she doesn't
I've
over
never
the
acted
course.
as a
She
victim.
doesn't
I was
over
raised
the
by a
course.
strong man
She-
who's now deceased,
she-
and I have never, ever taken things from guys as anything.
Well,
I
you
was
did.
raised by a great man, and I never needed to take things from guys. He gave that to me. He gave that to me.
I never needed to take
I
anything
never
from
needed
guys.
to
He
take-
gave that to me.
And that was
that's
over
taking.
a course of 7 months. If I were someone who was looking to just take from someone, we would not have been friends. I brought him around other friends of mine. He's brought me around friends of his. We were friends. We've gone to church together. We were friends only.
Do you know that I have friends?
I
Friends
have I have friends.
I'm speaking.
Of
They
all
turn
different
off.
races,
They turn off your
all
mic.
different-
They turn off your mic when I'm speaking.
Sure.
Because it's my program.
Yes, ma'am.
When you take money as a young, attractive woman from an unrelated man, she's always a fool if she thinks that they don't want something in return. Always. Not sometimes, always. And when you do it once, and then you see how easy it is, and over the course of 7 months, you do it $1,350 worth, because that's what you say in your answer, you have to start to say to yourself, is he some sort of an idiot? You know, I say, well, I'm a little short. Yes. Now we're going to go to the day that he tried to get his money back. And he called you. And Mr. Ajay, do you remember the date when you had the car incident?
It was September 22nd, around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock in the morning.
So he's coming over, you come down, and you get into his car. What were you doing prior to getting into his car in your house?
I probably just finished breakfast. It was about 10:30 in the morning.
Did he call you first to tell you he was coming over?
I allowed for him to meet me there.
Did he call you, text you? How did you know he was coming over? There had to be a mechanism that he communicated to you that he was coming over.
I told him that he could meet me instead of harassing my phone the evening before.
Just a second. So the evening before you had spoken to him?
Yes, he was
harassing me. About what time? Speaking. About what time?
It probably was about 9 p.m.
So he called you at 9 p.m. on the 21st of September?
Over and over and over.
And he said, in the conversations on September 21st, what was he asking you to do?
To come with him.
That was the date that...
This is when everything changed, Your Honor.
Just a second. No. On the 21st is what you're telling me, that was when he had asked you to go away with him. Or was that the date that he was meeting you for an exchange or for a discussion of this money? Stop, because he's going to tell me what date he wanted you to go away with him, and then when this incident of September 22nd happened.
Your Honor, never was any payment back mentioned until I declined to go out of town.
And was that on the 21st of
Yes, Your Honor.
That was 9/21. So on 9/21, when you said you wouldn't go with him, is that when he said, I want my money back?
Correct.
And you said he called you incessantly.
And over and over.
That on September 21st.
FaceTime, regular phone.
That was on September 20th.
Yeah, but you have the man money, yo.
First.
Correct.
So you told him he could come over on September 22nd.
Because I'm a fair person, yes.
You said he could. See, people are laughing.
I don't care. That doesn't matter to me. It means no difference to me. They can laugh, they can do anything.
They cut off your mic
when I'm talking.
They cut off your mic when I'm talking. You'll just be moving your mouth.
No problem.
Be the good guy, be the villain. The baby daddy fucked her, nutted in her, smacked the shit out of her, and is living a great life at the club.
Yo, be the darn villain. Big up Judge Judy in that case. But this guy's got some advice for you people, for you stepdaddies, especially the new Gen Z and Gen X scene. Gen X right here, Gen Z, Alpha generation, all these different generations.
The guy, be the villain. The baby daddy fucked her, nutted in her, smacked the shit out of her, and is living a great life at the club. The stepfather waited for her, ran through pussy, and he's carrying fucking grocery bags. Be the bad guy. Trust me, you're gonna be much happier. Be the guy she'll never forget, not the one that she's stuck with. Remember, stepfathers are people who are chosen when a woman no longer has options.
Definitely in Gen Z.
She's ran through, she's fucked out, and she realized that her life is fucking over. And she's gonna take whatever man puts up with her bullshit. Baby daddy fucked her, nutted in her, had a kid, probably not taking care of it, and got the fuck out.
22 baby mother. Real bad man.
Bro, I just want to let you know, as much as she gives you attention, you're not special, bro. You know why? Let me explain why. Night 1. Night 2. Night 3. Night 4. And the list goes on and on. Boy, you are not special. And this is what happens in a small town when a small town boy comes out to the big city. Listen. clueless.
Oh.
All right. Dangerous trend I go on right now. Itchy boy, I get walk by regular girl. Then regular girl go back to them man with itchy boy walk-ins. And then everybody gets diseases. Let's go.
No limit man about.
All right, let's go.
How no limit man about for no? Like, and I just buy call pan name. And as a matter of fact, if me the other man as buy call pan name like that, you don't have to explain nothing to me. If I not so you got it, so be it. But as bad man call pay name like that. But somehow the girl all gonna knowingly make man about for like.
So you see them at the restaurant, and did you approach them?
Yes, I did.
And what did you say to them?
I walked to them, and as I was approaching them and they noticed me coming, they both looked shocked and surprised and somewhat fidgety. And I said, okay, what the hell is going on here? And it just made it clear to me that I suspected that they were on a date with each other.
All right, one thing about Jamaicans, yeah. And what that thing what do? Bring snow? You brought snow to the dance? Jamaicans, man. Jamaicans. Let's go.
Suspected that they were on a date with each other.
Ski boss. Ski boss. All right, look here. Flirtation, happy, close, they're very close. Continue. Let's see.
Go. Yeah.
What's up, you scared? Yeah, I was just about to head out, man. Just doing my wrap up, but I'll talk to y'all later. Okay. Cool. Go.
Hey, baby.
What time?
Nothing much.
I did shower. My mom tired.
Okay.
We don't care about no. I never heard a dude go in the club and say, yo, I love her eyelashes.
All right, so Major Hype had show some facts. Kick off on the Major Hype. Take a joke in a comedy. Him never go in a club yet. We never went out and ever said, yo, her eyelashes just got me.
Love her eyelashes.
I have a great answer for that. So this is the thing. You will probably look at a woman, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you be like, damn, she's gorgeous. You have no idea that one of the things that actually makes her face look as beautiful.
How you gonna tell me I don't have no idea? How you gonna tell me I don't got no idea?
Okay.
That doesn't make sense.
He's in Atlanta.
Because I'm looking at the woman.
Houston.
I'm looking at the woman. I'm not looking at your eyelashes. I'm not looking at the way you contoured your nose. I'm not looking at that.
This is the thing.
So are men wrong, right? And I'm asking you and this young lady over here. Are men wrong when you create this facade, right? Because majority of what you're showing us is a facade. It's makeup, it's eyelashes, it's fake hair, it's fake nails, it's Spanx, it's waist trainers, it's all of these things.
False advertising.
Right? False advertising. Thank you, sir.
Cardi B.
Right? When I, the consumer, like the product, and then the product doesn't turn into what the product actually changes when I take it home and buy it, and I say, oh wait, this is not the product that I wanted.
Where's your receipt?
When I ghost you, why am I an asshole?
Well, I think the problem is if you're going after women who have on caked up makeup.
You see?
The men in her country, she's Ukrainian. You know what she's been doing the past.
All right. This is the Whatever Podcast. Talking to a Ukrainian woman who's there partying in Miami, South Beach, I think. And, you know what's going on in Ukraine right now with Russia and Ukraine. The Ukrainian men are forced to get out there and fight, right? Draft subscription, I think it's called, or whatever. But they got to get out there and fight. Meanwhile, in South Beach.
For years, she's been going on 100 dates with foreigners, American men. She's been dating American men while her countrymen are being slaughtered. You want to talk about male privilege, female privilege? She's fucking in the club in Miami. She's in the, you're rolling your fucking eyes. How is this not a bigger evidence of a differential between the privilege that women have versus the oppression that men have? Her countrymen, her men in her country are fucking. She's in the fucking club in Miami, and you're rolling your fucking eyes about Ukrainian men. That's disgusting.
God. Where are you from?
Ukraine. Let me talk to the fellas real quick.
All right, so my girl's spitting some advice, or what do you think? All right, let's take in her information, her advice. She's talking to the fellas. Listen up, boys.
You ever notice how when a woman's caught red-handed, that's the exact moment she wants you to calm down and watch your tone. Let me tell you the game, King. She don't care that you're hurt. She don't care that you call her lying. She don't care that you peep the manipulation. She just care that you ain't sitting there like a little yes man no more. See, she'll yell, scream, curse, and throw jabs at you for hours. But the second you say one thing with conviction, the second you raise your voice just a little bit, the second you call out her hypocrisy, now she doesn't feel safe.
Calling her parents, calling her friends, she don't feel safe.
Now she don't like your energy. Now she want to flip the script and make you the problem. Nah, baby. Don't try to police his tone when he finally speaking on the shit you been getting away with. You was fine being loud when you was accusing him of cheating with no proof. You was fine running your mouth when you was down talking his goals, his friends, his family. But the second he says, why you talking to your ex? Why you never apologize? Why you got time for TikTok but not for your kids? Now suddenly you emotional and not being a man. Let me tell the fellas what's really going on. She wants your masculinity as long as it's quiet, docile, and non-threatening. She wants the benefits of a man without the presence of one. Because your presence comes with boundaries, with expectations, with accountability. And when she dead wrong, that presence feel like pressure. So she try to mute you, control the narrative, act like you the bad guy just for reacting. And don't let her hit you with the gaslight special. It's not what I said, it's how you responded. Ma'am, you been running your mouth for 3 days straight.
But men check this out. Need to normalize almost like training your woman. Sometimes you have to be patient enough to be like, no, talk to me like this. I'm your man. And you can't just be like giving up on your woman after the fifth argument. Sometimes it's going to take 15 arguments.
Yeah, the wording of training is crazy.
Sometimes I think we do get caught in the verbiage as the word submissive always comes up. And women, they hate it.
Yo, shout out to these guys. I watch them a lot. The Daily Wrap-Up crew. Good show. Respect to those guys. Thanks for the Daily Wrap-Up crew, bringing good content to the industry. Let's go.
Hate that word. But if we replace that word with cooperative, then it's like, oh, okay, yeah, I can do that.
When you apply for a job, you gotta go through training. You
Of
don't have
course.
a problem with that.
That's the difference. I have to go through this training in order to get the job. This, I don't have to go through a training in order to get you.
She's corrupted. To a job, you are comfortable with going through training and learning how to do that job. In a relationship, you should be okay with going through training and learning how to love that person. It's just
real. We got the Daily Wrap-Up crew. Thanks for logging in. It's the Mr. Show. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.
He needs some